Hello everyone, we'll start off by drawing this 7 shape and then afterwards connect it on the other side as well. On the top, add a curved line and then draw lines on either end of it as such. At the back, add this wheel shape and then add eyes to the front of it. Add antenna to the front as well and then add little legs at the back as well. Add the detailing to the wings and then if you want you may color it in light colors as such. Add the detailing to the body. Now we'll be learning how to draw a bird. In order to do so, start off by drawing this P shape. Now, slowly add the legs to it as well, add the rest of the body and make it go all the way back. Add the eyes to it and then afterwards, draw the beak. Begin to color this in a dark shade of blue and this is what it should look like. Next, we'll start off by drawing this heart shape that is slightly diagonal in nature. Connect it to another heart shape that's opposite. Now afterwards, add a circular shape to the top, add the rest of the body, add eyes, and then add the beak as well. Add lines to the feathers at the back and then add this branch at the back as well and color this in. Next, we'll start off by making this S shape and then connect it, make this beak and then add the eyes in the front. Now add the detailing of the eyes as such, add 2 circles within and then color this in. Now add the wings of this little duck and then add the tail to it, color this in. Start off by drawing 2 shapes as such connected to one another, then add the top of the head, connect the 2 as well. Add a little branch underneath this and then add the tail as well. Add the eye to it and then fill it in, add the beak on one end of it. Now add the tail and then add the beak. Next, we'll start off by drawing these shapes. This will be the wings. Now, add more detailing to it. Add the body as well to it as well. Now, add the eyes in the front. Add the beak in the front of it as well. And then make sure you mark out the belly. You may color this in any color if you want. Next, start off by drawing 2 circular shapes in the form of an 8. Add an ovular shape behind it and another ovular shape behind it in different sizes. Add ovular shapes on either end of it as well to make it look like wings. Color this in and then these will look like eyes. Add the rest of the body as well and color it in yellow and blue. Next, we'll start off by drawing this crisscross shape and then a triangle at the back. Add a head at the top and the rest of the bird's body, add a 4 shape for the legs. Now afterwards, add the beak, add the eyes, and then add the little detailing of the legs as such. Now proceed on to add the detailing of the wings. In order to make a bee, start off by drawing 2 circular shapes connected to each other with a straight line. Add the wings to it and then draw on the sting. Afterwards, add the eye and then add the antenna at the top. Add little legs to it and then add the lines for the back of its body. Color this. Next, we'll start off by drawing 2 heart shapes, one beside the other, and then afterwards make it an extension, do it backwards as well as such underneath it. Add a circular shape for the head and then attach it to 2 beaks, add eyes to it as such. Afterwards, add a branch at the bottom, add these V-shaped markings on the back of your bird. Next, start off by drawing this 2 shape, add this bone shape to the back as well. Add the shape of these wings and then add a little beak to the back, add eyes to it and then afterwards add on the rest of the body. Color this in once you are done and then you may add water at the bottom. Next, you'll start off by drawing a circular shape using any sort of circular object and then connect it in this D shape. Now make another larger shape the similar way and then underneath it add legs to it as such. Afterwards add eyes to it and then make a beak as well. Make it look like the chick is looking downwards and color it in yellow. In order to make this beetle, start off by drawing this straight yet curved shape. Now, add a little face that is a little eye to it in the front, add a cute little smile to it, and then afterwards you may add the antenna as well. Add the legs at the bottom and then begin to add black polka dots all throughout. Color the rest of the body in red and then you may color the head in yellow. This is the final look of our bug. Thank you for watching.